Hi, this is Mohit and let me show you around eyeballs. Eyeballs is a tool to bring more eyeballs to your videos. And how do we do it? The idea is simple. We'll reward your viewers to share your videos and bring in new audience. It's very simple. I'm in the dashboard. Dashboard itself is work in progress. But yes, the core of eyeballs is this screen, which is missions. A mission is like a competition for your audience to gather as many shares, as many external views as possible, and the top n number of people will win some reward. So let's try to create a new mission. First of all, we need a URL for the YouTube video. I'll just use this video. Now iOS will fetch all the information from the YouTube video, whatever it can. Of course, you can change if you want to change something over here. This is the basic information of the video. This is the objective that we want to achieve with this particular mission. There are 3 objectives. I'll walk you through all 3 of them. We'll start with the very basic one, which is we want to just grow the views. Then there's reward. For this video, for this mission, we want to give 3 rewards. Office hours. So I want to reward 3 people, top 3 sharers with office hours. So office hours is I'll discuss your startup for 10 minutes on a video call. Save, and now I can publish it. Now this is the link. I get this link. Now this is the link that I'll share with my audience. Share this link in the description of the video, in the pinned comment on the video. Maybe you can put this link in the description and call it out in the video itself. Like, hey, there's a link in the description to share this video. If you share this video through that link, you'll win some exciting prizes. So yes, when they visit this link, they'll see all about the mission. They'll know that, okay, 3 office hours are at stake, and they can create their own unique link to share this video. So now they can share this link, their unique link, with their friends and family on their social media, on their Instagram, on Twitter, on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook groups, wherever they want to, maybe in some communities that they're part of, to bring as many eyeballs as possible. And when the end viewer clicks on the link, they are directly taken to your video, and bam, now you have gotten an extra pair of eyeballs to your video. This is to just directly grow your views. But let's also talk about a little bit about the other objectives. What if I want to grow subscribers? What happens then? Now the same link. Now if anybody visits this link, a new experience is rendered. The viewer is not taken to YouTube. In fact, a YouTube-like experience is rendered right here on eyeballs, which focuses more on subscribing. Like, there's no distraction, there are no more recommended videos, there's no comment box, nothing. There's just the video description and this one big red button, which is subscribe. And when they click on this link, they're taken to your channel with a pop-up, and here they can subscribe, making subscribing very easy. If that's the objective. Otherwise, there's another objective. Hey, I want to grow shares further. So my first set of audience, which is my organic audience, shares this with their friends and family. So this second level audience, when they come and watch my video, I want to incentivize them further to share my video, and they'll bring third level of audience, and this third level of audience, I want to incentivize them as well, so that this flywheel keeps going on. So what happens now? Now the same link will render a unique experience. It's very similar to the previous experience, but here instead of the subscribe button, it's the share button, and clicking on this link will bring the second level audience, third level audience, fourth level audience to the same mission page, where they can participate in the mission and grow your channel even further. Now your audience is sharing your content in their circles to earn some reward. So let's look at the leaderboard. So here I see the leaderboard. So this person is on the top in the standings, this on the second rank, and this on the third rank, and so on and so forth, based on how many views they brought in. And mind you, we have a very clever spam detection program, so that people cannot just run bots on their links and just spam your video. Every view is evaluated on dozens of criteria to really accept it as a valid view. Yeah, and also, your audience can also check the leaderboard right here on the mission page. They can check their current ranking. So this is me. I'm just last because I have not shared really anything. Yeah, here's everything. So now when your next video comes up, you can close this mission. You can mark this mission as complete and declare the winners. So we'll mark this mission as complete. This will freeze everything. So now this page won't allow anybody to create links anymore. the leaderboard is frozen, and here, over here, you can check the leaderboard, and these 3 people are declared winners automatically, because eyeballs knew top 3 people have to win. So these are the top 3 people and they're declared as winners. So now you can reach out to them, schedule an office hour, give them the reward, maybe also announce about this reward giving ceremony on your YouTube community post, so that when you run a mission on the next video, more people are excited to participate in it. So that's eyeballs, and that's how you grow your YouTube.